Namaste, welcome to Monday Bites from CHITRA CARS. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. This is on the request of my well-wisher who has asked me after he bought a new car how to maintain and how to clean the car. Number one, majorly people who are cleaning the car regularly, it would be a watchman or your apartment watchman or someone who you appoint him daily, where he comes and cleans the car regularly. But the fact of it is, he takes this kind of a cloth, dips in the water and directly cleans the car. That is not the way to be done. First, if you do that, there is a small soft mud scratches on the car. That will create lot of scratches, round scratches on the paint on the car, which will damage your paint. So, actual procedure what you should do to maintain your car perfectly without creating scales and scratches in your car. First, make sure take a dry cloth, make sure you do this, see that the entire dust is removed from the car. Or if you have a pipe where you can put water, just pour water on the car and see that all the mud and any bird drops on the mirror and all is removed. Once it is done, take the same microfiber cloth, dip it in the water, clean it well and then start wiping it. So, the car gets cleaned perfectly and the shine will be there. So, let it be a new or a used car. This is how you are supposed to maintain your car. Interiors also to be done the same way. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRA CARS. Thank you.